everyone, it's Ruble. We're doing 3 videos in a row, giving you the ultimate guide to Japan in April 2026. Day 1 is all about events, Day 2 is spring food, and this video, April in Japan, weather and what to wear. This is Day 3. I'll be covering everything you need to know about the weather and what to pack for April in Japan. Let's make sure you have an amazing time. 2026 April in Japan. Weather and what to wear. In April, warm spring weather spreads across Japan. It's also cherry blossom season, making it one of the best times of year to visit. However, April weather can be unpredictable, and rainy days become more frequent. Mornings and evenings can still get chilly, so don't let your guard down. In northern Japan and mountainous areas, snow may still be lingering. It's important to pack for the region you're visiting. In this video, I'll break down the temperatures and what to wear, region by region. In April, the bitter winter cold starts to fade, and you can really feel spring in the air. That said, temperatures can shift quite a bit in April, so you'll need to adjust what you wear between morning, evening, and daytime. Around Tokyo. Tokyo, along with Saitama, Kanagawa, and Chiba, all share pretty much the same climate. Temperatures in April range around 8 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Daytime is comfortable and pleasant, but mornings and evenings still feel a little chilly. The basic outfit would be a light base layer, plus a sweatshirt or cardigan and a light jacket on top. There will be days warm enough that you won't need a jacket at all, but temperatures can drop quickly after sunset, so always keep an outer layer with you. Also, April means more rain. A compact folding umbrella is going to be your best friend. In the Tokyo area, trains and shopping centers are well heated, so layering up with easy on and off pieces is the way to go. Around Osaka and Kyoto. Osaka, Kyoto, Nara, and Hyogo all share pretty much the same climate. Similar to Tokyo, or just a touch warmer. Temperatures in April range around 10 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. On some days, it gets warm enough to go out in a t-shirt. In fact, in late April, Osaka can hit close to 25 degrees Celsius. Almost a summer day. Throwing a light t-shirt in your bag is a great idea. The basic outfit is a light base layer, plus a sweatshirt or cardigan, and a light jacket. You may not need the jacket during the day, but mornings and evenings are still cool, so always keep something you can throw on. Kyoto is surrounded by mountains, which means the morning and evening chill hits a little harder than in Osaka. If you're planning an early morning visit to temples or shrines, bring an extra layer just to be safe. And don't forget, April brings rain, so a folding umbrella will come in handy. Around Kyushu and Shikoku. Kyushu covers areas like Fukuoka, Kagoshima, and Miyazaki, while Shikoku includes Kochi, Tokushima, and Ehime. These regions run a little warmer than Tokyo. Temperatures in April range around 12 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius. T-shirt weather is common during the day, and by late April, it starts feeling very close to summer. A light base layer plus a sweatshirt or cardigan is all you really need. Just keep a light jacket handy for cooler mornings and evenings. Snow is basically not a concern in Kyushu and Shikoku. That said, April is a rainy season, so a folding umbrella is still a smart thing to carry. Around Hiroshima. Hiroshima, along with Okayama, Shimane, and Yamaguchi, all share pretty much the same climate. Temperatures in April range around 8 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius, similar to Tokyo, with comfortable, pleasant spring weather during the day. A light base layer, plus a sweatshirt or cardigan, and a light jacket is the way to go. Mornings and evenings can feel a little chilly, so keep something you can throw on close by. The Hiroshima and Okyama area tends to get a lot of sunny days, but April does bring some rain, so a folding umbrella is still a good idea. Okinawa. Okinawa sits at the very southern tip of Japan, and by April, it already feels like early summer. Temperatures in April average around 20 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Most days you'll be perfectly comfortable in a t-shirt. That said, Okinawa is known for strong winds. If you're heading out in the morning or evening, having a light cardigan or something to throw on will keep you comfortable. One more thing, UV rays in Okinawa are already seriously strong in April. Make sure you pack sunscreen and a hat. Don't skip the sun protection. Hokkaido and Aomori. Hokkaido sits at the very northern tip of Japan, and Aomori is also located in the north. So even in April, these areas have a completely different climate from the rest of the country. Temperatures in April range around 2 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. While the rest of Japan is enjoying spring, Hokkaido and Aomori are still holding on to winter. A warm base layer like heat tech, plus a sweater or sweatshirt, and a full winter coat are all must-haves. Your down jacket will definitely still come in handy here. Snow often sticks around in Hokkaido well into April, and some areas may still see fresh snowfall. Shoes with good grip are a smart call for getting around safely. That said, by late April, cherry blossoms start blooming even in Sapporo, so there's a beautiful hint of spring on the way. Tohoku. Tohoku covers areas like Sendai, Niigata, and Yamagata. These regions are still cooler than Tokyo in April. Temperatures range around 3 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Through the first half of April, you'll still need a coat on many days, and mornings and evenings can get pretty cold. A warm base layer, plus a sweater or sweatshirt, and a winter coat is the standard outfit. In mountainous areas, snow may still be lingering, so shoes with non-slip soles are a good idea. On the bright side, by late April, cherry blossoms hit their peak in cities like Sendai, and the days start feeling much more like spring. April is the season when warm spring weather spreads across Japan. If you're heading to northern regions like Hokkaido or Tohoku, make sure you're still prepared for the cold. You might be thinking, packing for April in Japan sounds tricky. But don't worry, Japan has plenty of lightweight and easy-to-use spring essentials. And if you find yourself missing something, picking it up locally is always a great option. In April, stores everywhere are stocked with light jackets, cardigans, folding umbrellas, and everything else you need for spring in Japan. So, how was that? April is a season where outfit adjustments are key. So keeping one extra layer in your bag will give you real peace of mind. And since rainy days and uneven surfaces become more common, choosing comfortable, easy-to-walk-in shoes is also really important. Make sure to keep a close eye on the weather forecast and have a safe and amazing spring trip to Japan. Earst Japan will continue bringing you the charm of Japan and the latest travel information. See you again in the next video. Bye! See you!